Hello, this is Kelly, and I go by JKelly Sells Real Estate. This beautiful home is located in the wonderful Eustis, Florida. If you like to be in quiet communities, this is for you. As I like to tell people, in Lake County, especially like Eustis, Florida, Tavares, Florida, you get to live in the peace and drive to the chaos. Traffic is not nearly as bad as the inner city like Orlando and Apopka. Alrighty, so this brand new, say hey, that's baby. There are currently buyer incentives. This community right now is offering $20,000 worth of flex cash that they are offering right now. Some of the amenities in this community include a playground, a small dog park. They have a walking trail that's going to be around a community dry pond. The HOA, they do have that a month. It is $94 with no CDD. This community has models from a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, all the way up to a 6-bedroom, 3 to 4 bathroom, 2-car garage. Okay, and it starts at $340,000, and it does go up according to upgrades. Now, this restroom is for the model, so it is missing the shower. If you look on this photo here, you'll see that it is a double vanity as well as a shower that is a full bath. That's baby boy, that's my boss, Prince Jair. Alrighty, but yeah, please go ahead and click subscribe. I will always post more home tours, give information that I do have currently. If you have any questions, I will definitely, if I do not know the answer, I will find the answer for you so you can relax as much as possible. This process is already enough. Let me take that on for you. Again, please go ahead and subscribe. Please contact me at 689-229-8178. You can call or text, shoot me an email, jkellysales@gmail.com. I will definitely love to help you and your family find the perfect home. I am a realtor that specializes in the Central Florida area. However, I am licensed in all of Florida. Again, my name is JKelly Sells, and your needs are the priority. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the tour. Thank you. Please don't forget to click subscribe.